Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. Try coconut oil for your hair and do not regret it. Perhaps it's hard to believe, but coconut oil is just a miracle cure for your hair. It helps prevent hair loss and gives the hair a special sheen that you will not be given any shampoo. But the discovery for us was that coconut oil can help you get rid of gray hair, only you need to use it when you just noticed a few hairs. You will need coconut oil and lemon juice. Rub this mixture into the scalp twice a week. Follicles will receive the necessary nutrients and hair will cease to turn gray. If you want to get rid of damaged hair, repeat the same procedure with only the tips. And this information must share with your friends. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.